Hello, and welcome back to Ajayasthomani Guru. I'm Ria, and in today's comprehensive analysis, we are diving deep into the dynamics currently shaping the Indian chili market. The recent price pullback. After enjoying a strong, uninterrupted rally over the last couple of months, the chili market now appears to be entering a clear corrective phase. Throughout the day on Thursday, prices exhibited a stable to weak trend across all major markets in the country. We saw a notable softening in key trading centers. Specifically, in Warangal, rates slipped by approximately 3 rupees per kilogram, while some select varieties in Guntur also moved lower, declining by nearly 5 rupees per kilogram. The sentiment among traders is clear. The previous bullish momentum seems to be losing its grip, suggesting the market is poised for a necessary correction. Surge in arrivals driving pressure. A significant and immediate factor contributing to this price softening is the notable increase in fresh supplies. Market arrivals have improved considerably across key centers. The Guntur market, a major bellwether for chili, received approximately 85,000 bags, which is about 5,000 bags higher than the volume recorded in the previous session. Markets in Telangana also reported an improved flow of produce, with inflows nearing 10,000 bags in Khammam and around 12,000 bags reported in Warangal. This broadly higher arrival pattern across major producing regions is translating directly into increased supply pressure and subsequent weakness in spot prices. The demand equation: export stability versus domestic sluggishness. On the demand front, we see a mixed picture. Export quotations for the popular Teja and Teja Deluxe varieties have managed to stabilize after a brief decline, holding firm in the range of 155 to 160 rupees per kilogram. This indicates a consistent, if not aggressive, level of international interest. However, the critical issue lies with the domestic market. Demand within the country remains distinctly subdued at these elevated price levels. This lack of robust domestic buying is the primary factor limiting any immediate upward price potential, keeping the overall spot market under persistent pressure. The long-term supply outlook. Despite the current short-term weakness driven by high arrivals, we must look at the long-term fundamentals, which suggest future supply tightness. Trade sources have indicated that the overall chili production for this entire season is expected to be lower. This is primarily attributed to a reduction in the total acreage dedicated to chili cultivation. Furthermore, the persistent and untimely rains across major growing belts have already inflicted significant damage on the standing crop, an event which will likely further impact and reduce the final yields. Final thoughts and next steps. The market is at a fascinating crossroads. Short-term supply is high, leading to a correction, but the long-term outlook points towards a significant supply deficit. This dichotomy suggests that a big move is building up in the chili market in the coming month. Will the current high arrivals push prices into a deeper correction, or will the looming prospect of lower production drive a fresh, powerful uptrend? For an advanced, in-depth analysis that will prepare you for the exact nature of this next move, whether it will be bullish or bearish, I urge you to contact us. Our number is clearly visible on your screen right now and is also available in the description below. Don't miss out on this critical market shift. Thank you for tuning into Ajayasthomani Guru.
सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ। आप बनाओ, हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो। अब खाना बनाओ सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज के करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका,
पटल पोस्तो और सर्षे इलिश भापा। साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झाज, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।